Hello, you're welcome to Quiver Analytics. And in this video, this is the beginning of a series on non-parametric tests with SPSS. All right, so without wasting time, let's go into it. Non-parametric tests are statistical methods used to analyze data, and they do not assume a specific distribution such as normality. These tests are often referred to as distribution-free tests. They are particularly useful when data are ordinal, nominal, or skewed, and when sample sizes are small. All right, so what we are saying here is that non-parametric tests, normal tests like regression, correlation, t-tests, it requires that the data meets specific assumptions, especially the normality tests. So once the data fails the assumption for normality test, then we are required to use the non-parametric tests. Now, the different reasons we use non-parametric tests are when the data are also ordinal, nominal, or skewed, like I said, and when the sample sizes are small. Although in this in this series, it would be we will not be using small data, or it would also work for small data as well. All right, now, so what it means is that for every parametric test, there's an equivalent non-parametric test. So this document will be in the link below this video. All right, so if you see this here, you see that, this summary table here, you see that every parametric test has its parametric equivalent. I have a chi-square. Chi-square is only used for categorical data. All right, so, and when and why to non-parametric tests are used. So like we said, when data do not meet the normality assumption, when the data is ordinal or nominal, for small sample size, and for robustness. So for the general steps in performing non-parametric tests, all right, so we'll be using SPSS in this series. And it means, okay, so with the normal SPSS coding, of course, you have your hypothesis, check data type and scale, it should be nominal, appropriate tests. Sorry, then you have to use appropriate tests, then import your data into SPSS or code your data into SPSS, whichever one applies. Then, so for non-parametric tests, you use almost the same command, like you go to analyze non-parametric tests, legacy dialogues, or appropriate submenus you get. All right, then specified variables, run the test, then interpret the outputs and report results. All right, so in this series, we'll look at chi-square, we'll look at one sample Wilcoxon rank tests, we'll look at two independent sample Mann-Whitney U tests, k independent sample tests, then two related samples Wilcoxon rank tests, then k related sample Friedman Test. So there will be 6 other videos in this series at least, and then we would cover the non-parametric tests. Now, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to get updated whenever new video drops. Thank you, and don't forget to follow us on all of our social media pages, Quiver Analytics. Thank you, and see you in the next video.